Good morning, children. I'm USK sir. I'm coming with a new concept, that is what mole concept today. So, when you went a grocery shopping, otherwise your daily shopping, one kg of salt, your shopping list is 1 kg of salt, 1 liter of milk, and 1 kg of potatoes, like that. What are those kg and liters? They are what regular units to measure our daily substances. To measure our daily substances. Suppose you went to a shop, you ask 1 mole of salt, they will look in somewhat different manner. They don't know what is 1 mole. So, because mole is not a regular unit to measure the substances, this is the unit to measure chemical substances like molecules, atoms, right? So, for simply, I'm going to tell you that is what one thing. Mole is a number like dozen. Dozen means it is 12, right? Like that, mole is a number. Mole is a number which is going to be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. That's it. 1 mole of atoms means there are 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms are there. Suppose 1 mole of donkeys, 1 mole of donkeys, otherwise 1 mole of books you take, don't take donkeys, 1 mole of books means I have this much number of books. 1 mole of bats, 1 mole of bats, yes, this much number of bats. 1 mole of balls, yes, this much number of balls. That's it. So you have to memorize. Mole is a just number. It is a just number, and its value is 6.02 into 10 power 23. That's it. In some books they may give 6.023 into 10 power of 23, like that also. Don't bother about a small variation. Just memorize the value of 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. 1 mole of molecules 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. 1 mole of books, 1 mole of donkeys, 1 mole of buses, 1 mole of trains, 1 mole of planes. Yes, 1 mole in the sense this one. This is the number you have to memorize. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. That's it. Right, students? Just keep this in your mind. Suppose I am giving you somewhat interesting thing related to mole. Right. What is mass of one carbon atom, students? So carbon atom is nothing but what? There is a nucleus, 6 protons are there, 6 neutrons are inside the nucleus, and 6 electrons like this around the nucleus. 6 protons are there, 6 neutrons are there, and 6 electrons are there. Mass of one carbon atom in the sense, what is mass of one carbon atom, students? Mass of protons plus mass of neutrons plus mass of electrons, right? 6 into mass of protons, 6 into mass of neutrons, 6 into mass of electrons. Because in carbon atom there are 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. Of course, this is why we are going to neglect, because mass of electron is very negligible. Do you know what is the mass of proton? So, mass of proton is 1 point, do you know the value? 1.67 into 10 to the power of 24 minus 24 grams. Right? Mass of neutron is also 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Students, Mass of neutron is somewhat slightly excess when compared with mass of proton, but you just take them as equal values. Slightly excess is there for neutron. Don't bother about that negligible excess value for this neutron. Mass of electron is what? Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 27 grams. See, here the value is minus 24, here the value is 10 power minus 27. So it is very negligible value. And for your information, I am giving you mass of electron is just 1837 into mass of proton. Just that means 183 times lesser than proton mass. When you divide mass of proton by this number, you get the mass of electron. So when compare the mass of electron with mass of proton, it is very much negligible. That's why we are not taking in count while you are calculating mass of one carbon atom, otherwise any atom, right? Don't take mass of electron in count, right? Take down all these values or take a screenshot, otherwise pause the video, take down the values, right? Right. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Right. Now I am going back. Mass of one carbon atom, students. One carbon atom is equal to 6 into, yes, what is the mass of proton, students? 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 plus 6 into 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24. This much value, this value is called AMU. This value is called as what? AMU. AMU in the sense what? Atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 grams. It is grams. It is grams. One atomic mass unit is equal to 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Sorry. One atomic mass unit is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Now you, yes, take this as common. That is what? 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24. You take common. You will get what? 6 plus 6. That is what? 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24. I am going to write this as 12 AMU. 12 AMU. This is what? Mass of one carbon atom. That is what, students? Mass of one carbon atom. Mass of one carbon atom. Take this in your notes. This is the way how to calculate mass of one atom. Either it is one carbon atom or one nitrogen atom or one oxygen atom. Right. So, mass of proton. This is nothing but mass of neutron. Both are same values. Yeah, again I am telling you that is what? Neutron is somewhat excess but considered as same as proton. Right. Now, if you want to calculate mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. 23 carbon atoms. That is nothing but what? 1 mole of carbon atoms, right? Carbon atoms, right? Get my point? So, this number is nothing but 1 mole, right? So, if you want to calculate 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms mass, then that is nothing but that is equal to what? 1 mole of carbon atoms. Right, students? 1 mole of carbon atoms. Right. What is atomic mass of one carbon atom? 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Of course, they are nothing but AMU, right? Into, yes, Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. That's it, right? So, weight of one glass is 10 grams. Here this is a glass, right? Weight of one glass is 10 grams. Then what is the weight of 100 glasses? What is the weight of 100 glasses? 10 into 100. Just like that. One atom mass is this much. This is what? Atom of one atom. And we need to get atom weight of this much atoms, right? You have to multiply it with this number. This number is also called as Avogadro's number. That is what represented by capital N, small a. Otherwise, in suffix you take capital A also. That is what the representation of Avogadro number. Yes, very interesting thing is, this calculation is going to be 1. This value multiplied by this value will get number 1. That is, value is 1. We are going to get 12 grams, students. 12 grams. Yes, it is a small quantity. Atom of one carbon, mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12 AMU. It is a small quantity. But mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms is 12 grams. It is a huge quantity. Just you keep in your mind. Right? Getting my point? Very easy. No need to confuse. Right? Yes. I am going to calculate for nitrogen atoms now. Right? Don't bother about this. Yes, you take down this value. Yes. Again, nitrogen atoms. Mass of one nitrogen atom is equal to what? How many neutrons and protons are there in nitrogen? In nitrogen there are 7 protons. In nitrogen there are 7 neutrons. Of course, 7 electrons also there. But mass of electron is negligible. Keep that in your mind. Yes, students. So, mass of one nitrogen atom is equal to, yes. Now you tell 7 into 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24. This is what? Mass of protons. 7 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. This is nothing but mass of neutrons. You take this number as common. So 14 into this value. 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24, students. That is nothing but 14. And this much grams is nothing but AMU. 14 AMU, right? Mass of one nitrogen atom is 14 AMU. Then mass of 1 mole of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen atoms. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atoms is equal to what? Yes, mass of 1 nitrogen. 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Otherwise, this much value is AMU. Right, into, in 1 mole we are having what? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Now, this calculation is nothing but 1 and you are going to get 14 grams. 14 grams, students. It is very interesting. Mass of one nitrogen atom is 14 AMU. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atoms is 14 grams. 1 AMU is a least and minute and negligible quantity, but this is nothing but somewhat huge quantity. This is 1 mole of nitrogen. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atoms is nothing but molar mass. Molar mass, students. Otherwise, gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. You getting my point? This is what gram atomic mass or molar mass of 1 mole of atoms. Molar mass of 1 mole of atoms. It is very easy. Very easy, student. Just keep this in your mind. I think I hope you are understanding this. You are all understanding this. I will make you some problems in other video regarding atoms only. I'm not going into the discussion of molecules. Up to this, I discussed about atoms only. Right? Keep it up.